Hey gang, welcome back to the channel. I'm Ryan and this is The Way We Hunt. Today's a special day. We're bringing you our full in-depth review of our QuietKat Ranger 1000 e-bike. What's the e-bike craze all about? Well, we're about to tell you. So a few months ago, we teamed up with our friends from Woods to Table. They came out to Texas. We put the e-bike through its paces. If you guys haven't checked out Woods to Table, John and Afton are really good friends. They're over on the East Coast. They do a ton of fun stuff just like we do. Make sure you go check out the channel. You won't be disappointed. They even did their own review of our Ranger e-bike. Go ahead and check that review out. It's amazing. We're out here at the farm here in Oklahoma and we're gonna continue our review. So here we go. Now let's talk about the bike in general. This is the QuietKat Ranger in the 1000 watt version. Comes with disc brakes and hydraulic front suspension. The Ranger does not come with rear suspension, but I upgraded with this NCX suspension seat. The motor is a rear-driven Bafang 1000 watt motor and comes with a 7-speed manual derailleur. The only thing we've done is add a headlight to it for riding in the evening while we're in town, and a smart taillight as well. This Ranger 1000 will give you about 20 to 25, maybe 30 miles, depending on how you're riding it. The most I've ever got is 32, and that was just riding on flat city streets on pedal assist, I think, 3. Let me show you the battery. So the battery sits up underneath here in this compartment. Got a key right here. All you do is simply put the key in, turn it. This unlocks right here. The battery comes out. Simply lock it back up, and now your very expensive battery is secure. Alternatively, if you don't want to take your battery out, there's a side port charger right here, which I have lost the cover of for already because I lose everything, let's face it. Another cool feature that we like, these waterproof side mount bag. I need to get another one. What's cool is I can put this with all my gear that I want in the deer stand with me or hog hunting or whatever. I can literally just take it, comes off ready to go. Now on to the good stuff. Let's show you how this thing works. Simply hold the mode button to turn it on. Fires up. See, it starts up. We are in power assist 1, meaning as I pedal the bike, it will give me a little bit of power. We can go down to nothing, which is just all pedal. It's all you. Has 3 different levels of power assist. As you start pedaling, those kick in. There's a thumb throttle right here. Let's put it on 3. So if you don't want to pedal, let's say we're just going, if you push the button, instantly just gives you power. Both brakes have a kill switch that are attached to the motor. So as soon as you hit the brakes, the motor stops. One thing you need to be aware of on the QuietKats, the power comes on quick, so if you're in the middle of a turn and you start pedaling, it takes about 1 revolution of the pedals for the motor to kick in. And if you have this thing on 4 or 5 and that kicks in, hang on. Let's get to riding. Sure, I get it, you're skeptical. Surely that mount on that bike going over this terrain can't keep a 0. This is the Steiner S35 Night Hunter. We got steel set up at 100 yards, so we're gonna take a before and after shot. Hit, let's go for a ride. I'm going over some relatively big bumps in the middle of cow pasture right now. I'm running about 20 miles an hour right here. you just saw the train we went over. Let's see if our zero still's on. It's still on. Hit. Let's go check it out. So we see here about a 3/4 minute group. It's actually aiming right here, the very bottom of that right there. Through the thermal, that was the hottest spot on the target for whatever reason. So about an inch right, which I was a little bit to the right when we went out and shot that pig a couple nights ago. So anyway, you can see these Kolpin weapons mounts on top of the QuietKat with the front suspension. Rode about 4 miles in the process of filming today, and it's on. Didn't knock it off, and that thing was bouncing around quite a bit. All right, so it's not all great, right? You've heard me talk about the things I like. What don't I like about it? One was the cost. Setup like this runs about $4,500. Now, this did come with a trailer and the mounts and the waterproof bag. Still kind of expensive, right? But the way I look at it, if you're in the market for something like this, you're also in the market for a motorcycle or a cheap side-by-side. So what are the advantages of this? One, it's electric. I can charge it and go. I can run about 20 to 30 miles depending on how fast I want to run it, how much pedal assist I want to give, things like that. Two, it's quiet, it's silent. And on top of that, there's no odor. There's no gas odor, no oil odor. I can literally hop on this at the gate, ride it all the way to the stand, or ride it all the way through hog country, scanning for hogs. They never hear you, they never smell you, unless you're just not playing the wind right. So I think the advantages outweigh the disadvantages. Would I buy it again? Yes. Do I absolutely love everything about it? No, I don't. I wish it had more rear suspension, but that suspension seat is adjustable, and I've just kind of learned to live with what I got. It holds a zero with the rifle. It allows me to carry just about all my gear to a deer stand, and that includes a hang-on stand or a ladder stand. I can just fold it up and put it on the trailer, bike it in, set it up, no odor, completely silent. So that's it for our review of the QuietKat Ranger 1000. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Please leave a comment below, and if you're not subscribed, do that too. This is Ryan. We will see you guys soon.